Hey there, business owners. Today I've got an urgent message about a growing threat that you need to know about. Microsoft 365 compromises are on the rise, and it's hitting businesses hard, especially here in West Houston. I'm talking about cybercriminals targeting Microsoft 365, the platform many of you rely on for your email, collaboration, and document storage. These attackers are getting more sophisticated, and they're finding new ways to breach accounts, steal sensitive data, and launch even bigger attacks. Let's break down some of the common attack methods. First up, phishing and social engineering. Cybercriminals send deceptive emails or create fake Microsoft login pages to trick employees into giving up their login credentials. Next, there's brute force and password spraying, where attackers try multiple password combinations to break into accounts with weak security measures. Then we have token hijacking. This is when threat actors exploit authentication tokens to bypass login credentials and gain persistent access to your business resources. Finally, there's business email compromise, or BC. Attackers gain access to email accounts to manipulate financial transactions or spread malware internally. So what's the impact on West Houston businesses? It's severe. We're talking data theft, financial fraud, ransomware deployment, and operational disruptions. Sensitive company data, financial information, and client details can be stolen and sold on the dark web. Cybercriminals can impersonate executives to redirect funds through fraudulent transactions, and a compromised Microsoft 365 environment can lead to downtime, lost productivity, and reputational damage. That's where Impress IT Solutions comes in. We offer comprehensive cybersecurity solutions to safeguard your business from these attacks. Key defense strategies include multi-factor authentication, which significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized account access. We also provide advanced email security, implementing phishing protection, spam filtering, and email authentication protocols to prevent malicious emails. Our endpoint detection and response system monitors and responds to suspicious activity across Microsoft 365 accounts and connected devices. We conduct regular security audits to identify vulnerabilities in account settings, permissions, and login activity. And we offer employee awareness training to educate your staff on recognizing phishing attempts and secure password management. As Microsoft 365 attacks continue to rise, it's crucial to take proactive steps to secure your cloud environments. Impress IT Solutions provides expert guidance, advanced security solutions, and ongoing monitoring to protect against cyber threats. For expert cybersecurity assistance, contact Impress IT Solutions today and secure your Microsoft 365 environment against evolving threats. Stay protected and keep your business safe.